Are you stuck with an invoice you can't delete? Void it in under 2 minutes with this simple method. I'll walk you through the exact steps to void an invoice in Zoho Books, from opening the app to confirming the void. Open Zoho Books from your browser or app. Then, from the left sidebar, click on the Invoices module to see all your invoices. Now, find and select the invoice you want to cancel. Click on the three-dot menu at the end of that invoice row. From the drop-down, choose Void. A dialog will appear. Type in the reason for voiding the invoice. Then click the Void It button to confirm. Once done, you'll see the invoice status has been updated to Voided. That's it. Your invoice is canceled. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.